Welcome to my series of how to make 10x money efficiently on investment, and how much of a risk it is and how fast we can make 10x on our investments. So right now we are looking at the chart of silver, which has really popped off on last Friday. I'm recording this video on Sunday, July 13th, and as you can see, it's coming real close to a trend line, a ascending channel. The top of the channel, I think it's gonna break out. And if we look historically of about 6-month charts in the history of silver, like, it has only sustained 3 times above $30, and not really a lot of time it has stayed above $30, and right now it's staying above $30, and that's a plus point. If you look at this, which is $30, and we look at 34, just as in 2011, this is 1979. If we look here, which is actually 36.4, which is the highest 6-month close in the history of silver again. And we're looking at this is a weekly channel, and if it closes above it, it gets super bullish. I think there will be a $10 move, $10 to $8 move, breaking out from this channel, and that's when the media and it will start to make huge headlines about supply shock and everything. But I think this is the time. This is the time to get in, else to just be looking at it for years. So it's gonna go up from this channel, like a $10 move, $10 to $8 move, and then it's gonna break this channel, which is like a multi-decade resistance, which is this, just like $54, and it's gonna go above it and stay above it for a long time. That's what we are expecting. And just like any stock or index, silver is a commodity, so we haven't seen this type of a resistant breakout in any sort of commodity. And we've seen metals like gold and platinum go up a lot, and silver is certainly catching a bid. We think it can go up a lot, and it can stay up. Staying up is a different story, okay? And if you come onto the option chain of SLV, it's a silver ETF actually. If you look at this, BlackRock silver ETF SLV, which is $35 right now at $38 of silver. And if you look at 2027 January calls, at the money calls, and this is all at the money calls. If you look at the asks, it's $5.95 right now for a 35 strike, and if we little bit go up, it's $6.75 for $33 strike. I think it's not too bad for this type of a chart, and we should enter this trade right now, right here, right now, and at the price of $39 of silver. I'm recording this video, and at the price of $5.95 of an ask. I think this is a better strike to enter right now, like right here, right now. $32 strike, 2027 January 15 expiring call, and it can pay like 10x. I think silver can go up to $80 and $100 and $120. And this is the way we're gonna execute this trade. If we go to any other country silver ETF, like India silver ETFs, we can get a gram of silver for 28 India rupee, and we can hold this ETF for like silver to double. And this is the way we're gonna play this in India ETFs. If there's a someone who wants to do it by a CFD trade. I don't know what your broker provides you, the amount of leverage. You can get XAGUSD to execute this trade. Why I'm talking about taking a leveraged bet in this trade is many analysts believe that it's not gonna go 50% down from here, and very high possibility of it to go 50% up. So if it was a stock like Apple or Tesla, I mean, we wouldn't take this type of a levered bet, like going in with too high leverage. But it's a commodity, so I think it's thinkable to give it a shot of taking a little bit high risk and a little bit high leverage than average trades, and at the price target of 80, 100 and 120, I think there can be made a lot of money, and it's gonna stay up. So I don't know what the actual target is. They say that there's a ounce ratio of gold to silver, which is like 12 ounces of silver to an ounce of gold, and right now we are like what, 40 ounces of silver to a gold ounce. I don't know when that gets corrected and what the actual price is, because I haven't calculated that, but it's around 250-60. Okay, so we will see. I don't know exactly how and when that will happen, but I think in 2 years we can go 120. In 2 years from now. I'm recording this video on July 2025, July 13. Good luck.